Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody left me a message on one of my videos saying I do things differently than they do, and it's personal preference probably. Uh, I'm not 100% sure this is better, but I thought I'd go ahead and show it. These boxes are made up of hairlines. And I just drew boxes, made it easy. But let's say you've got hairlines in there and you don't want to ever cut them. And one way to do it is just what I always do and use if you have a combination job, just don't use the combination job. And I'm going to let's see how big these boxes are. They're about 7 inches. So I'm going to make my nudge distance 9 inches. I'm going to hold down the Alt key and I'm going to select my outline and I'm just going to move it up. And then I'm going to run this job as a raster only. And then you could go and move those up. And even though I could, but I could just select with the Alt key and then move those back and use the vector cut, a vector engraving or cutting. But their suggestion, and it's pretty good. I've never used multiple pages. So their suggestion was, and I'm pretty sure I've got what they're thinking, I'm going to hold down the Alt key and then I'm going to right click copy. And then I'm going to start a new page. And I'm going to right click paste. So now my outline is on the second page. I could actually delete my outline. I'm going to hold down the Alt key, and by holding down the Alt key, I don't have to select anything else. Then I could run this job and go to print. And I don't ever print from this computer. But I could go current page and it's going to print page 1. And no matter what I tell it to do, if I go to preferences and I'm just going to go raster, it'll print that. Then you could go to page 2, go to print current page, which is page 2. And for some reason it's not showing my preview. Oh, I don't have my laser printer preferences. And then go to preferences and use a vector cut. That would be pretty safe. I've never used multiple pages. I know a lot of people do. So that might be one thing to think about. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.